In this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you can open up your LLC if you're in New York. So, when opening up an LLC and starting up your own business, there's two things you want to keep in mind when starting up, right? So, to be official, it's like open a business bank account, a business credit card, any of those matters. You're going to need these two official documents. You're going to need to file your LLC, especially if you're starting up a business, and you need to also get your EIN number. These are mainly the two documents you're going to need to establish your business and start your brand of whatever you're trying to do. So, especially if you don't know like how to even get started with like an LLC EIN number, I personally use a website called Zen Business. I'm going to walk you through the whole process now. Literally, you can learn how to do it, create an LLC, start it up in like less than 5 minutes. I'll have the link in the description here down below for you, as well as in the pinned comments, so you can walk through the step by step of how I'm going to do it, so you can literally start your business right away. Want to keep in mind though, every state has its own state filing fee, right? So for me, I live in Florida. I pay a state filing fee of $125. Um, Texas, for example, it's like $300 state filing fee. California is like 75. Every state has its different state filing fee that you have to renew every year in order to stay established. So you always have to renew it every year, the state filing fee. It's no matter what, you always have to do it. And for the EIN number, what is an EIN number? So just to give you an idea and make it really simple and easy, an EIN number is like it's almost like the social security of your business. It's like that number that you're always going to use when people are requesting for your business information. What you're gonna do and how you get it is by the IRS.gov. You apply for it, you literally get it in like 5 minutes. It's really fast, easy to get an EIN number. And yeah, those are the two things you're just going to be needing to open a business bank account and credit card. So let's get started. I'm gonna walk you through the whole process so you can do it as well. So in front of me here, I have Zen Business. If you want to use Zen Business, like I said, link in the description as well as in the pinned comments. So let's say we want to start our own Amazon store. I sell full time on Amazon. This is what I like to do. So let's say I'm trying to call it Midtown Power Seller or whatever it may be. You have to think of a unique business name that you want to use already, that you want to keep in mind. What business name you want to use, right? So for me, I thought of it. I thought of a business name that I want to start, Midtown Power Seller. So just keep a business name in mind that you want to use. Now ready to start. Let's go do it. It's on Power Seller. And now you're going to put the state you're in. So for me, for example, let's say for this video purpose, we're doing for New York. Click New York, click next. Let's go. What county? So just put the county that you're in. Um, just put the county that you're in for where you are in New York. So let's put Bronx, for example, here. How much experience you have. You could put what fits for you, none, some, lots. Put some for here. Will your business have employees in the first year? For me, it's just going to be me. So no, just me. Will your business address be different from your home address? So if you have like a retail or a storefront, then you want to put yes. But for me, I sell like full time online. So I always use like my personal address as my business address because I sell online. You can always do like a PO box as well. Personally, I always just use like a residential address. So I always put no. It all depends on your situation, right? So no. How far along is your business? I'm planning on launching soon, 1 to 2 months. What are your business goals? Side business, primary income, the next big thing. What kind of business are you forming? For me, I do e-commerce, right? But let's say you don't sell online, right? So you want to just click this thing here and just keep scrolling to see which category you fall under, right? So for me, I'm just going to put e-commerce. Click next here. Do you want to save your progress? I'm going to skip that. Okay. Say time, New York, publication service. No thanks. I'll do it on my own. No thanks. I will do it on my own. Do you want to appoint somebody as your registered agent? So if you live in New York already, I would click no to this because there's no point. I always am the registered agent in my state. So I would say 95% of the people would just click I'll appoint my own registered agent, which would be yourself, and click next. I want to appoint someone else, which is yourself. Okay, now it's the starter, the pro pack, and the premium. So the starter, it's free to use Zen Business. You don't have to pay anything. All you have to pay is the state filing fee of $205. But the filing takes 2 to 3 weeks to do. So if you're not in a rush, then you can do the starter pack and wait 2 to 3 weeks. If you want to do the pro, it's $200 for their service and $200 for the New York filing fee. What's good about the pro that I really like is that the filing is 1 to 2 business days, so you're able to get your LLC done really fast, and it also does the EIN number as well. So you get the EIN number for your business and the LLC filed literally 1 to 2 business days. Really fast, really easy for $200 and the state filing fee of $205, right? So let's say, for example, you don't have this much money to do the pro package, right? Uh, the starter also has this add-on feature that you can do that you can also get the EIN number as well for $100 extra, but the filing fee will still be 2 to 3 weeks. So let me show you guys here exactly what I mean with the starter. We're gonna click next here. No, I'll handle it myself. So here it is, right? This is a little add-on feature that they do. $99 for the EIN. So you can do that. You can pay $99 to get your LLC and the EIN, and it'll take 2 to 3 weeks to file, or you can expedite the whole thing for $200. All depends on your situation, right? If you want to get the EIN number yourself, I'll also have a free video of how to, get an EIN number. It's really fast and easy after you learn how to do it. But yeah, if you don't want to if you're like really not tech savvy and you just want to get the business done and this gets a little intimidating for yourself, then you could always get the EIN number filed, and they'll do it for you. So it all depends on your situation, right? If you want to do it, get the EIN number yourself, you can, and it'll be free to use the service, and you only have to pay the state filing fee. So let's say for this example, we really want to open our business bank account already. We want to get started. We're really serious about making money. We're going to go with the pro. So $199 a year and $205 for the New York filing fee. Let's click next here. And then they're going to ask you a bunch of questions here, like if you want to open a business bank account under them. I prefer not to, so no thanks. Bookkeeping, no thanks. Website builder, no thank you. This is another one, no thanks. All right, now you're going to fill out your personal info here. Then you're going to click review, and now you're all set and done. So it depends on what you put here. For me, I put the pro for this example. It's 404, but let's say if you did the starter pack, you don't have to pay anything for Zen Business, and it'll be $200, right? So I put the pro package to get it expedited 1 to 2 business days, and to also get the EIN number. So to just finish this up, you just put your credit card info here and put your password, and then you're set to go. You can create your LLC like that, and they'll just send you all the documents to your email, the LLC number, document number and the EIN number as well. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions regarding how to open up an LLC, how to get started, leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful for you guys, also leave a comment down below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you guys on the next one. Peace.